Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to brief you about your major project, which will take the biggest chunk of your carry marks. And it is not that something is easy, but you need to do it very carefully, diligently, and you need to have a high teamwork in order to get the highest mark. Okay, now let's check here. I'm going to send to you this PDF later, but I'm going to explain to you first. Okay, first look at here. We have business model canvas, social media account, written report, and presentation. For your information, okay, you can use the current product, no problem. Okay, but we are going to have 4 outcome out of that product. The first one is BMC, social media account, written report, and presentation. Okay, all the rubrics are here. I don't want to touch about the rubrics, but I would like to touch about this for project. Okay, business model canvas. Okay, now let's go down. You can read that by yourself, but I would like to bring you to here. Okay, now BMC. Okay, now it's 9 marks. BMC is like a canvas. It's like a painting. Okay, you put everything there. It's so meaning that the painting, now close your eyes, imagine a painting. Okay, the painting, one canvas, so it must be related to one another, meaning that if you want to draw a jungle, so there must be an animal there must be a flower, trees, I'm not sure, but if you want to draw a jungle, okay, so you want to draw people, so it must be nose, eyes. So canvas is a big canvas, can you imagine? So now business model canvas, it is all about your company. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points. So all these 9 sections are connected to each other. Okay, they are connected. Okay, let's go one by one. And the question here, the question that you can see the point here is your guideline. It can be more. Okay, it can be more. Okay, you need to have a high teamwork here. Okay, now let's check key partners. Key partners is your supplier, who you are partnering with. Okay, without them, you cannot do your job. Okay, key partner will lead to key activities. What are you doing? Distribution channel. Okay, customer relationship. So this one is only point. Okay, and then key resources. Remember about the resources? Okay, now it have here all the key resources. The resources, they are necessary to create value for the customer. See, creating value. If you're not sure, you can discuss first. Okay, so make sure your product is good enough to be to be sold to the customer. And then value proposition. Okay, product and service business offer to meet the needs of the customer. Company's value is what the meaning that how unique is your product. Okay, so here what value that you deliver to the customer. Is it about the feeling, the value, the taste, the quality, the price? It depends. You can read one by one. And then we have customer relation. Okay, so what type of relationship? Okay, then we have channels. Channels is like a distribution channel. You can check a textbook. We have a distribution channel part. Okay, so customer segments. You know this one already. This is about the customer segmentation. And then cost structure. Okay, and then revenue streams. Okay, so you need to read carefully. Okay, you need to read carefully so that you can connect with each other. Remember, these are connected. When you have the key partners, you must have the resources. Where you get the resources. So why? Because of course you need to have the activities for the business. But since that this is the first time that you have it, so please read it first before ask me any question. I would like you to ask in the, you can ask in the YouTube or you can ask here in the WhatsApp. I don't mind. Inshallah, I'll answer. So that is the first one. Okay, I would like you to read. Don't ask first, but read first. Okay, so that's the first one. They have a guideline here. Okay, this is the this is the example of how you're going to do it. See how you're going to, it's related. Canvas is related. And then, oh, it looks so big, so complicated. No, no, not. It's not so difficult, but it is interrelated. You can see the colors here. Okay, this is the example, Amazon. Okay, and it's an example of automotive company. Okay, so the second one, your product need to have a social media account. If you already have the social media accounts, then you are safe. But if let's say you don't have the social media account, please how to say it, create one. Okay, so make sure, okay, you have this here. Okay, here 3 points. Do not just come here, but here 3 points. We have 1 point. 1 point is like markah kesian. Okay, sympathy mark. Okay, subsidized mark. 2 points. Okay, and 3 points. Okay, there are many of you, so please carefully, okay, try to put a very outstanding social media account. That's the second one. Okay, now the written report. Okay, remember about the canvas just now? You already have the canvas, you already have the social media accounts. Now it is time to write the report. Okay, the third one is a report. Okay, and then presentation. The last one is presentation. This is individual marks. Okay, this is where you need to present. Inshallah, we are going to have the Google Meet or Zoom. Okay, so I'm going to book your group so you get that you can do a live presentation to me. So inshallah, we are going. I'll book. How to say it? Group by group. Okay. So in case anyone, I don't think I want to invite others, but each group members must be there and propose me the time. Okay, for the presentation. Okay. So these are the 4 sections, 4 assignments that you need to do. This is the biggest assignment. Okay, so try to score this. Be very careful, have a good teamwork, and try to understand. If you do not understand, okay, let's discuss with your group members before you ask me. Okay, thank you very much. All the best. Okay, I'm going to send this in your WhatsApp group. Okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Assalam.